Hi friends, this is our new video and today we are draw some pictures. Okay, we draw flower. Please don't laugh. My drawing is so bad, I know. And this is our flower is completed. Rough it. Go to our next drawing. Okay, this is sun. Sorry, my drawing is so bad. And this is house. And it is a mountain. So one river is here. River, This is river for best view and drinking water. Okay, river is completed, and here we draw some grass, green grass. Yes. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos. And this is you. Thanks to watching our video. Please come in next video. Okay, bye.
Yeah.